Top 7 AI tools to make money online in 2026. Have you noticed that some people seem to be making money online faster than ever before? The truth is, many of them aren't working harder. They're using AI tools to save time, create content, find clients, and build online businesses. The good news? You don't need to be a programmer or a tech expert to use these tools. In today's video, I'm going to show you 7 powerful AI tools that can help beginners start making money online in 2026. And make sure you stay until the end because the last tool could completely change how you work online. Let's get started. Number 1. ChatGPT. Imagine having a personal assistant available 24 hours a day. That's exactly what ChatGPT feels like. You can use it to write blog posts, create social media content, generate business ideas, write emails, and even help clients with content creation. Many freelancers use ChatGPT to complete work faster and take on more clients without increasing their workload. If you're a writer, virtual assistant, blogger, or freelancer, ChatGPT can become one of your most valuable tools. Number 2. Canva AI. If you've ever wanted to make money designing graphics but thought you weren't creative enough, Canva AI might surprise you. With Canva AI, you can create professional thumbnails, social media posts, logos, flyers, presentations, and marketing materials in minutes. Businesses are constantly looking for eye-catching designs, and many people are earning money by offering simple graphic design services using Canva. Even beginners can create designs that look professional. Number 3. Claude AI. Claude is one of the smartest AI assistants available today. What makes it special is its ability to handle long documents and detailed tasks. You can use Claude to write reports, create content plans, analyze information, and help manage business projects. Many entrepreneurs use Claude to save hours every week and improve productivity. Time saved means more opportunities to earn. Number 4. Perplexity. AI research can be one of the most time-consuming parts of any online business. That's where Perplexity comes in. Instead of spending hours searching through websites, Perplexity helps you find accurate information quickly and provides sources for its answers. Bloggers, YouTubers, students, and content creators use it to speed up research and create better content. The faster you can find quality information, the faster you can create content and serve clients. Number 5. ElevenLabs. Have you ever wondered how faceless YouTube channels create such realistic voiceovers? Many of them are using ElevenLabs. This tool can generate incredibly natural AI voices that sound surprisingly human. People use ElevenLabs to create YouTube videos, audiobooks, training content, advertisements, and podcasts. In fact, entire YouTube channels are being built around AI-generated voiceovers. If you enjoy creating content but don't want to use your own voice, this tool is worth exploring. Number 6. CapCut AI video content is dominating the internet right now, but editing videos can take a lot of time. CapCut AI helps solve that problem. With automatic captions, AI-powered editing tools, and easy-to-use templates, CapCut allows creators to produce content much faster. Many content creators, freelancers, and social media managers use CapCut to offer video editing services and generate income online. The demand for video content continues to grow every year. Number 7. Google Gemini. And finally, we have Gemini. Google's AI assistant is becoming more powerful with every update. Gemini can help with writing, research, brainstorming, productivity, coding, and content creation. One of its biggest advantages is its integration with Google's ecosystem, making it useful for students, business owners, and professionals. When combined with the other tools we've discussed today, Gemini can become part of a powerful online income toolkit. Final thoughts. Here's something important to remember. These tools won't make you rich overnight. The people earning money with AI are using these tools to solve problems, save time, and provide value to others. The opportunity isn't in the tools themselves. The opportunity is in how you use them. Whether you want to start freelancing, build a YouTube channel, launch an online business, or create digital products, these AI tools can help you get there faster. Now I'd like to hear from you. Which of these AI tools would you try first? Leave a comment below, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Finjora Money Moves for more money-making opportunities, side hustles, AI tools, and online business tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.